Our department has a massive network of alumni, and this segment is our opportunity to catch up with them and what they've been doing, and in some cases, introduce them to you. Our guest tonight on the Weather Water Cooler is Dr. Bianca Baier, a physical scientist with NOAA and a 2016 PhD graduate of our department. Welcome to Weather World, Bianca.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
It's good to have you here. So before we get into what you're doing now, can you give us the quick Reader's Digest version of everything you've been up to since you graduated from here in 2016?
Sure. Well, I've been a little bit busy. Starting in 2016, I started working for NOAA's Global Monitoring Laboratory in Boulder, Colorado. I worked for their Cooperative Institute as a NOAA affiliate as a postdoc. And that postdoc was actually collecting air samples for a NASA-sponsored field campaign that Ken Davis actually led, who is a faculty member here in the department. I worked on that postdoc for 2 years, and then after that, I started delving into some balloon research at NOAA's Global Monitoring Laboratory, and got myself into a research scientist position there in around 2018. And from 2018 to 2022, I led a balloon program with them. And then starting in 2022, I became a physical federal scientist on the NOAA side of things. So I now work as a federal scientist.
Okay, so you mentioned it a few times, the Global Monitoring Lab, or I think as you affectionately refer to it, GML.
GML. Mm-hmm.
I have a feeling a lot of our viewers have never heard of that before. Can you just explain a little bit about what GML is and the kinds of missions that it has? What is the purpose of it?
Yeah, so GML's mission is to monitor atmospheric composition in a way that we can understand change and trends in the atmosphere over long periods of time. So GML measures aerosols, trace gases in the atmosphere, clouds, radiation. We monitor stratospheric ozone depletion. GML tracks all of these things pertaining to how atmospheric composition is changing over time.
It's actually very fitting, I think, what you're doing, because Bianca was the TA when I took Meteo 436 here, which was the radiation and climate class. So this all seems like you took a very fitting path. Mm-hmm. So in addition to roles like you have at GML, what are some of the other disciplines of other scientists working there? Is it all meteorologists? Are there various disciplines or different types of scientists that are part of this mission?
Oh, of course. We have a variety of different types of scientists within GML. And not only scientists, but engineers, technicians. Because GML monitors all of these species relating to atmospheric composition, we have a bunch of people that work with instrumentation. So we have engineers who maintain our instrumentation, where we take samples of air all around the world. We have citizen scientists that work with us. We have atmospheric scientists, physicists, biologists. We have environmental scientists, just a whole bunch of different disciplines.
A lot of backgrounds, and I think one of the mission statements is taking the pulse of the planet, and so I guess you need all those different disciplines to be able to take the pulse of the planet. Yeah. So you alluded to this a little bit ago, but you're also looking, with some of the work you do, it's not, of course, just what's going on down here at the ground, but all the way up above our heads too.
Yes.
Can you, I guess, touch on what a day might look like for you? You know, what kinds of things are you looking at? What kinds of tools might you be using?
Yeah. So I kind of have I wear two hats within our Global Monitoring Laboratory. I am a deputy division lead for our Technology Transfers and Engineering division, where we are developing new technologies, methodologies, platforms for measuring for monitoring and measuring atmospheric species. And so a lot of my work involves overseeing the development of these platforms, methodologies, instrumentation that we will develop and then bring to routine operations within our laboratory. The other hat that I wear within GML is I'm a principal investigator of a balloon program that measures atmospheric composition from the surface all the way to the stratosphere. So on a typical day, I might be in the office, or I might be outside right up against the Flatirons launching a balloon and then chasing that balloon and bringing it back to our laboratory.
Oh, wow, yeah. And from my time living in Colorado, it's a beautiful area too. So if you're out in the field, there's probably not many better places to find yourself. We're running low on time, but we always like to close this segment by asking our guest, do you have a favorite memory from your time in Happy Valley or your time here at Penn State?
Oh, I have so many memories. Let's see. I love Penn State during this time of the year, the springtime. It's beautiful. The campus is beautiful. I'm a State College native, so Meyer Dairy was always a favorite of mine. And then, a lot of good memories came from just being within this department and the College of Earth and Mineral Sciences. The camaraderie and the passion for atmospheric science within this department is amazing.
And I think all of us would echo that statement as well. All right, so thank you for joining us tonight, Dr. Bianca Baier, physical scientist with NOAA and a 2016 PhD graduate from our department. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
And we will be back in just a moment with more.